Alright, and this video, previous one, I had just opened the Phillips Hue light for the ambiance. I have one here in the hallway. The reason I'm doing this because, well, my daughter walks in and out a lot, so what I'm doing is just switching it out. I just wanted to show that it's pretty easy to switch out. Doesn't take rocket science just to do it. It's got two little clips on the side in here. I don't want to turn on the light, but just two little clips right here, and you just unclip them. They come out pretty simple. So it's just like a light bulb. Has a little light bulb thing here, just so you can see what you're dealing with. Because I didn't. This is actually the first time I've actually done it, so I was nervous because, well, I'm not an electrician. So, like I had previously said. With the Phillips ambience light, this actually comes separate in the box, so you have to hook it up. Then you have the same connection that I do on the other light. This just happens not to be a smart light. This one is with Phillips Hue. Relatively the same. So just plugging it in.
There's a little husband.
I know, Mama, and that is my daughter.
There's a little more.
I know.
I'll get out there.
I know.
I'll get out there.
I know.
Can I get it out there?
Just plug it in and push it into place. It's got the little clips on it,
I'm
so it just
coming.
holds up there, and it's up. Pretty simple. It's got the little grips on the side that holds the light up, kind of like this one does right here. It's got the clips, and just turn it on. There it is. So, just showing everybody that it's pretty simple to switch these lights out. Like I said, this is the one that we just had installed. Our contractor did it. We're finishing off our basement. I know. And I'm switching out with a Hue smart light switch because I'm actually, since nobody uses this hallway a lot, I'm going to do a sensor. So anybody walks in here, it'll turn it on. You know, if not a lot of movement, they'll turn it back off. Just saves on energy. That's pretty much it. All right. Have a great day.